Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really simple, cute, and slightly three-dimensional bun. It only takes a couple of steps. I have my paper in this very cute case. I'll have a link in the description if anyone's interested in the paper or the case. I'll be using this very bright yellow today. The first thing you're going to want to do is flip your paper over to the white side and fold it in half. For all origami, but specifically these simpler patterns, it's best to try to be as precise as you can. That way you have very clean corners and your origami looks very cute. Once you fold it in half, you open it up, and now we're going to fold our half into fourths. So what you're going to want to do is bring one of the edges up to the center. Then we're going to open it back up and repeat the same for the other side. Once you folded your paper into fourths, you're going to want to put one little triangle in every corner. You're going to want to align the triangles with the creases we just made for the fourths. Just like so. And we're going to repeat it 4 more times. For these triangle folds, it's best to do less than more because we're going to be folding a few of them over in just a sec. Now that we have 4, we want to align these creases horizontally, and we're going to grab two of these triangles that we made, and we're going to fold them into these longer pointy shapes. Still triangles, they're just not perfect triangles anymore. I'm going to do the same for the other side, and make sure that they are go across each other on the same side. Now you have this funny little shape. You're going to fold along these creases and fold these fourths towards the center. Do the same with the other side. And now you should have this silly little shape. But we're almost done. You want to flip it over. And specifically be on the side that has this longer triangle in it. You're going to want to fold a triangle this way. Again, try to make this as clean as possible. We're going to open it back up. Do the same with the other side. we're going to open it again. And we're going to grab this bottom part and we're going to fold it up. Just so that it lines up right here with the end of this crease. Same with the crease on this side. We want to make sure it reaches that end. Nothing more, nothing less. Now that we've gone this far, you're going to want to pull the top of this inwards, and then at the same time you want to pinch this. Now that we pinch this, you can fold this in half like so. Let's see from the side here. You want to finish tucking this in and pinching it. Make sure everything's nice and creased, that it holds its place. And that is our finished bunny. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and again, if you want to find out where to get this paper or the case that I was using to hold it, the links will be in the description. Thanks for watching.